Hey there, it's Sharon, your guitar guide, helping you find your sound, and welcome to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Glad you stopped by, because today I've got a fun chord progression on guitar, and that's coming up. Hey, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, have a look around. If you like what you see, consider subscribing for more guitar tips and tricks. And for everyone that's already subscribed, thanks for your support. Today I want to show you how to play a 1-4-6-5 chord progression. It's a fun chord progression on guitar, and I'm going to show you how to find the chords, how to play the chords, and I'm going to show you a great song done by Train. So stay tuned for that. And so let's stop talking about it and zoom in, and let me show you how we're going to start in the key of C. So the first chord is the 1 chord, or the root, which would be C in the key of C. Then we've got a F, which is going to be the 4, 5, which is a G, and then the 6, which is an A minor. Key of C, we've got C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and then it goes back to C. C, D is the 2, E is the 3, F is the 4, G is the 5, A is the 6, B is 7, and then it goes back to C. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1. C, C. This C is an octave higher than that. So we've got 1, 4, 5, and 6. So also, if you can remember, 1, 4, 5 are major chords, and that leaves 2, 3, and 6 are minor chords. So that's an E, but if we go with that rule there, that's a 1, 2, 3. So the 3 chord is a minor, so that would be a E minor. Right, so now we know how to get these chords. I wanted to show you a song by Train called Play That Song. And it just so happens it's a 1-4-6-5 chord progression in the key of C. Check this out. That's all you got to do. So if you like this lesson, can you click the like button and leave me a comment? This lets YouTube know you like the video and they'll promote it. Thanks, and don't forget to watch that one next.